Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel AI Dance Ethical Echoes, where we embrace the power of AI and ML tools to deliver free value to our viewers. In fact, this video is made completely with the help of a few easy and simple free AI and ML tool in just a few minutes. Let's start. Today, I'm going to be summarizing the book Get Better at Anything by Scott H. Young. This book is all about how to improve your skills and achieve your goals. It's a great resource for anyone who wants to learn something new or improve their performance in any area of life. The 3 keys to getting better at anything. The book outlines 3 key steps to getting better at anything. Chapter 1, See. The first chapter of the book is all about the importance of seeing. Young argues that we can learn a lot by observing how experts do things. He gives the example of Tetris players. In the 1980s, Tetris players were able to improve their performance dramatically by watching how other players were playing the game. Chapter 2, Do. The second chapter of the book is about the importance of doing. Young argues that we can only get better at something by practicing it. He gives the example of Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci was a prolific artist, but he also practiced his skills for many years. Chapter 3, Seek Feedback. The third chapter of the book is about the importance of seeking feedback. Young argues that we can only improve our performance by getting feedback from others. He gives the example of Tiger Woods. Woods has changed his golf swing several times over the course of his career, based on feedback from his coach. Conclusion. Get Better at Anything is a great book that provides a practical framework for improving your skills and achieving your goals. The book's 3 key steps, see, do, and seek feedback, are simple but effective. If you're looking to improve your performance in any area of life, I highly recommend this book. Thanks for watching our channel. I hope you enjoyed this summary of Get Better at Anything. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this and to learn more about how to use the power of AI and ML tools for free.